Hello everyone. So today in this tutorial we are going to add Google Fonts to our code. So this is my portfolio and this is the portfolio I'm going to code. As you can see, this one looks pretty bad and this one looks pretty good. So the first thing we have to do is go open a new tab and go to Google Fonts. So here is a list of fonts that you can choose. I am going to pick this. Where is it? Let me just search on here. I'm going to pick this Google font called Montserrat. Select the family. And here is the link that we have to post in our head tag. So copy, go to your code editor. And as you can see, I have already posted all of my fonts. So here is the link I copied. Now paste the link. I'm going to remove the one I already had so you don't get confused. Done. Now go to File and Save. And let's see the magic. So now we are going to turn this page into this one. So hit this, refresh. Wow, it's not working. But what? I know why. There is one last thing we have to do. To specify in what line of code we want this font in, we have to copy this piece of code right here and paste it into our CSS. So I want the font to be in my header tag. So I'm going to paste that code in there. I also want it to be in my navigation menus, so I'll paste it in there. Also in the list. And this no class are just some paragraphs that I named with the class no. Also I want it to be, let me see, what else? I also want it to be in the logo. Basically everywhere. This font is going to be everywhere. Now we are done. So go to File, Save, go to Chrome, and now we are ready to see the other project as this one. Get ready and hit refresh. Yeah, it did change, but we have some errors right here. As you can see, this one is very different from this one, and I know where is the problem. So I have to remove this HR tag, and I think it's going to be fine. Let's see. No, save. Oh, what is the problem here? Where is the problem? So the font is applied, but what did we do? Okay, so I'm not sure where the problem is. But this doesn't matter too much. I'll find the problem later. The main purpose here, the main thing is that we change the font into the font that we wanted, and that was the goal. And this is basically it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and leave a positive comment. Hey guys, so the purpose of this video wasn't only to create a tutorial on how to add Google Fonts. I also created this video because, as you can see, I am a front-end web developer and I need projects to showcase in my portfolio. So if you need a website, I am more than happy to code it for you. I'm going to code it from scratch and with responsive design. I am going to leave more information down below. So if you need a website, please contact me. This is going to be absolutely free of charge. Or you can just put your information in the comments and I'm going to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video, and please leave a like and a positive comment. Thanks. Bye bye.